Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Today I'm here with the Speck Presidio2 Pro for iPhone 12 Pro Max. A significant redesign from the original Presidio Pro cases. The new Presidio2 Pro still offers the same 13 feet of drop protection, but it's now much easier to install and remove and has an essentially perfect fit on the phone. It also features Microban to reduce bacterial growth on your case by 99%. Lots to love here. Let's check out this case in more detail on my iPhone 12 Pro Max in silver. Looking at the construction of this case, this is very thin and lightweight, relatively rigid in construction, not much give here. We have a soft touch finish on the exterior. The interior is smooth and hard. No more co-molded rubber with these Speck cases. This no longer uses the Impactium technology for impact protection that Speck's been using in previous generations. Instead, this now uses Armor Cloud technology, which is supposed to work like a series of small airbags on the inside of the case. This is going to give you 13 feet of drop protection, which is quite impressive. The case also offers Microban protection against bacterial buildup, so overall it seems like your phone should be quite well protected in the Presidio2 Pro. Putting your phone in this case is quite easy. Just start on the one side and clip on your other corners. Once on, we have a really tight fit on here. This is extremely surprising. You don't have the give over the buttons, the give over your port openings. You have a really tight fit on here, even though this is a really easy case to get on and off. So the give seems to mostly be coming in the corners here. These flex very slightly when the phone case is being put on or taken off. Overall, really nice design here by Speck. Gives you an easy on, easy off case with a great fit. So looking at the amount of protection we have for our screen, we have a good amount of protective lip here. I do currently have a screen protector on here. This is the Rhino Shield 3D Impact Screen Protector. If I didn't have this on here, you would have more visible lip, but I think you still have plenty of protective lip here for your screen. Looking down here at our port openings, these are nicely positioned and nicely sized. Asymmetrical port openings for the asymmetrical port design for the phone, so that is excellent. You should be able to fit many third-party lightning cables here, although of course this case does support wireless charging, so you might find you're using that functionality less than you otherwise would. Going up the sides, we don't have tons of grip on here. This soft touch finish is not really a grippy sort of soft touch finish. It's smooth and hard, matte finish, feels nice, but does not give you much grip. Going up here to our buttons, these are excellent, very clicky, very responsive. And looking here at our mute switch area, this is large enough to be easily accessible. Looking at our view from the top, great fit here with a 3D impact screen protector from Rhino Shield. That is great. And then going over here to the side, we have a very responsive side button. Looking at the back of the case, I think everything looks very nice here. We've got some Speck branding up here in the corner with their logo, but other than that, there's no other branding on here. This material is soft underneath the fingertips, but it's not a grippy kind of soft. It's just soft and smooth. It's not going to attract lint. It's also not going to give you very much grip at all in your hands, but it's definitely going to slide easily in and out of pockets and handbags. If you're looking for a grippier Speck case, you might want to check out the Speck Presidio2 Grip case. That's not a very grippy grip case. It's less grippy than the Presidio grip and candy shell grip of old, but still it's going to give you considerably more grip than this Presidio2 Pro case. So this material is going to be quite fingerprint and scratch resistant. However, it is going to show greasy smears. You have to be careful about that. And then we have sufficient protection up here for your protruding camera. We also have a little ring that runs around your camera area for extra additional protection. Overall, I think that this should provide good protection for your phone. So in terms of wireless charging, this is going to work perfectly well with regular Qi wireless charging. And as far as MagSafe is concerned, you are going to have some ability to use MagSafe. It's going to charge with MagSafe, no problem, but we don't have a very strong magnetic connection here. It's pretty easy to remove this, so you probably will want to lay it on top of your magnetic charging puck in order to have the most successful MagSafe charging experience. And of course, this doesn't have any magnets embedded in it, so it's not going to work with any of the other MagSafe accessories, such as MagSafe Wallet. So overall, I think that this is a very nice case from Speck. It's very thin and lightweight. Gives you a very slim profile, which is important when you are dealing with such a large phone as your 12 Pro Max. You've got that 13 feet of drop protection, you've got your Microban protection, and this is covered by Speck's limited lifetime warranty. Overall, lots to love with the Presidio 2 Pro from Speck for iPhone 12 Pro Max. Again, we've been looking at the Presidio 2 Pro for iPhone 12 Pro Max. This case is available directly from Speck as well as from other retailers, and it has an MSRP of $44.95. It comes in the Lush Burgundy color featured in this review, as well as blue, black, and gray options. Many thanks to the kind folks at Speck for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my upcoming iPhone 12 series accessory reviews. Again, this is Kristen with the Speck Presidio 2 Pro for iPhone 12 Pro Max. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.